How is it possible that a restaurant can make £90,000 before they even open? I mean, their restaurant looks like this. It's an absolute building site, and they're probably about 2 or 3 months away from opening their doors. And somehow, by just running Instagram and Facebook ads, retargeting campaigns, and targeting people within the local area using ads, has got over 2,000 people signed up, ready to come to the grand opening. Now, within my marketing agency, this is actually something that I specialize in: restaurant grand openings, especially when it comes to Facebook and Instagram advertising. You see, what most people fail to realize is the power of Facebook ads. When you approach a client and say, look, you have to spend £100 a day on Facebook, they're like, absolutely no way. Unless you can prove a way that £100 makes £500 or £1,000 in bookings. And I was able to do that with this client, even though they're not open. Now, I know you're probably thinking, how have they made £90,000 when they haven't even opened their doors and it looks like their restaurant has been hit by a truck? So pretty much what I've done is I've built their landing page, I've built their social media accounts, I've made all their emails, I've created their ad account, and we have started running ads over the last 36 days now, I believe. So this is their landing page at the moment. It's super simple. I've built it on Wix. It literally just says, welcome to the Cara Sevenoaks, a little bit of information, a few AI renders of what the restaurant is going to look like, and at the bottom here is the data capture form. So I take their name, their email, and their phone number. Now, some people don't like to give phone numbers, and I'll show that later in the video of the difference of people starting to fill out the form versus those who haven't completed the form. I'm guessing, in fact, I know people just don't want to give me their phone number. But this simple box right here and this simple landing page with the ads I've been running, I mean, I've only launched 4 campaigns. I've spent a total of £1,800, has generated them £90,000 in bookings. But they have no bookings and their restaurant is a building site. So how have they generated £90,000? In order to understand how it all works, you have to put yourself in the customer's point of view. So if you're on your phone and you scroll through Instagram and you see an ad saying this restaurant is coming soon and it has hundreds of thousands of views and thousands of likes and thousands of comments, you're like, what's so special about this restaurant? It will make you stop scrolling. Literally, that's my company name, funny enough. So when you see that, you watch the video, you see, oh, I know this area, that used to be the old so-and-so. You then click onto the website and you land on this page. So you're on it for about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. I've got all the data I'll show you later on in this video. And it shows you a little bit about the restaurant. It shows you what the image, what the restaurant's going to be like. And then they scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Now, if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of a website, you're clearly interested somehow in what this thing is, right? And then when you get to the bottom of the page, you give me your details, your first name and your email address. That's basic data capture. But you also give me your phone number. Now, the phone number is the most important data capture you can ever get from a customer. Because if you email someone, I get thousands of emails a day from video editors and this, that, the whatever. If you email someone, it can go to their spam. It can get blocked, it can go to their socials tab, it can be missed. You're on the phone so you don't see or hear the notification. But if you send somebody a text, let's be honest, what's the first thing you do when you get a text message? Even if it's from EE saying, we got a new iPhone 17 Pro, you read it. You don't just see it, you read it. Therefore, I get their phone number because most of the emails I'm going to send to those who sign up to this grand opening is going to be missed. Not only do I want everybody to have a fair chance to come to the grand opening because we only have about 300 seats available on that day, I also want their data. Data is king. And when it comes to marketing, that's what most people miss on. They don't even capture their data. They just run ads and hope for the best. So the reason why this restaurant has made £90,000 is because I'm basing that figure on 2,000 people filling in this form and spending £45 per person. Now, in this restaurant, cocktails are £15 each. That's a low figure per person, especially for their grand opening where everyone's going to be celebrating. There's going to be entertainment. That is a really low figure. Now, you're probably sat there going, well, they're not actual bookings and the client hasn't got that in their bank. Now, I understand how it works and the client also understands how it works. And if I put myself in a customer's point of view, I would never fill in this form on a restaurant website, my name and my email and my phone number, if I was never going to come to the restaurant. Now, don't get me wrong, 90% of these people who have signed up using this form already aren't going to come to the grand opening because they're not going to be able to get a table. Because as soon as I send the text out, their reservation system is going to be full within 5 minutes. I guarantee you, and I'll also do a video on that as soon as it goes live. It'll be quite interesting to see and watch. They might book a week later. They might book a month later. They might book for the next day or the following day or for a certain birthday party. I don't know, but they are going to definitely be coming to the restaurant. Therefore, I can safely say by them spending £1,863, I've generated that restaurant over £90,000 in bookings. In fact, quite comfortably, I can say I've generated them more than that, because those people who have found out about this restaurant based off my ads aren't just going to go to the restaurant once. They're going to go multiple times. Just because it's not in their bank and they can't visually see it doesn't mean I haven't made them money. And the funny thing is when I started showing the client this data, so yesterday they had 2,049 people on their website, 825 today, 95 form fills yesterday, and 31 today. When I started showing them this data, they went from spending £20 a day to £100 a day because they understood the value in promoting their restaurant before it's even open. So what I'll basically do is I will download, again, 2,000 email addresses, phone numbers, and first names. And I will run a giveaway on Instagram. And I will basically have the giveaway that says, you will get a £250 voucher to spend on the grand opening evening. So everybody knows I'm sending the email to everyone, and the grand opening, which holds 300 people, is first come, first serve. So not only do they get £250 to spend at the restaurant and put towards their meal, they can also guarantee their date and their time and their party size, i.e. a table of 4, a table of 6, or a table of 10 on the grand opening night. It's guaranteed. So yeah, that's basically how I've managed to generate my client £90,000 in revenue. And by the time they actually open, it's going to be more like 130, 140,000, because this giveaway is going to skyrocket our form submissions. I reckon we're going to have about 3,000 or 4,000 form submissions. And the other thing that I was going to mention is when we send the email and when we send the text message out saying, hey, we're now open, within 5 minutes, the grand opening will be sold out. Nobody else will be able to book. I guarantee you. Like I said, I'll make a video on it and I can show you in real time. So that creates some sort of urgency and FOMO. So people will then, instead of booking the Friday, they'll book the Saturday. Within half an hour, the Saturday will be sold out. Within half an hour, the Sunday will be sold out. And then the people who was driving, or the people who was on the phone, or the people who was having a little nap and they missed the text message or the email, which will be a lot of people, because a lot of people don't click on stuff straight away nowadays. They're going to click onto it and see Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday sold out. And they're like, we need a book. We need a book now. Same thing when clothing brands sell out instantly. People get FOMO, and that's what I'm creating, but in a restaurant, which I've never seen before. Only my agency's done it, I think. Some people probably have in a different country, I don't know, but I'm creating this whole ecosystem of get ready, this is what's coming, it's going to be big. Have the chance to sign up on the grand opening, don't miss out, give us your data, because data is key. These guys have spent £1,800. That's nothing. If I called him right now and said, bro, you need to do £500 a day for the next week, he'll say, all right, do what you need to do, because I've proven to him that it works. Anyway, this is a bit of a different video. It's probably quite long, to be honest, but thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you've got any questions about Facebook ads, drop them down below. I'll help you out.